In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete old subscribers and add new subscribers in Mailerlite. To begin, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. This is where Mailerlite keeps the main navigation menu. From this sidebar menu, click on Subscribers. This area is where you can manage the people on your email list, including viewing existing subscribers, removing subscribers you no longer need, and adding new subscribers manually. After you click Subscribers, you should see a list of contacts in your account. This list may include active subscribers, inactive subscribers, or people who were added at different times. Before deleting anyone, take a moment to review the list carefully. Removing subscribers is an important action, so it is a good idea to make sure you are selecting the correct contacts. If you only need to remove a few people, you can select them manually. To do this, click the checkbox next to each subscriber that you wish to delete. If you are working with a larger list and you want to focus on older or inactive subscribers, you can use the filters available on the subscribers page. Filters can help narrow the list, so you are not sorting through every contact one by one. For example, you may be able to isolate inactive subscribers, which makes it easier to find contacts who are no longer engaging with your emails. Once the list is filtered, review the results and select the checkbox next to the subscribers you want to remove. Now that the subscribers are selected, look near the top of the subscriber list. You should see an Actions drop-down menu. This menu is used for making changes to the selected subscribers. Click the Actions drop-down to open the available options. This is where you will choose what Mailerlite should do with the contacts you have selected. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. Mailerlite will ask you to confirm this action before it removes the subscribers. This confirmation is important because deleting subscribers can affect your list and your account organization. Review the confirmation message, and if you are sure that the selected subscribers are the ones you want to remove, confirm the deletion. After confirming, Mailerlite will delete those subscribers from your list. Once the old subscribers have been removed, you can add a new subscriber from the same subscribers area. Make sure you are still on the subscribers page. Look for the Add Subscribers button and click it. This button allows you to bring new contacts into your Mailerlite account. In this tutorial, we are adding one subscriber manually, so you will use the option for adding a single subscriber. After selecting the option to add a single subscriber, Mailerlite will show fields where you can enter the subscriber details. Start by entering the subscriber email address in the email field, then enter the subscriber name in the name field. Make sure the information is typed correctly before continuing, because the email address is what Mailerlite will use to identify and contact that subscriber. When the email and name are entered, click Add. Mailerlite will then save the new subscriber to your account. After the subscriber has been added, you can return to your subscriber list and confirm that the new contact appears there. This is a simple way to keep your list updated by removing contacts you no longer need and adding new ones when necessary. That covers everything you need to know. You have logged into Mailerlite, opened the subscribers page, selected and deleted old subscribers, and added a new subscriber manually. And that is all there is to it.